Welcome back. Today we are installing one of the best GNOME themes ever made. Whether you're on Ubuntu, Fedora, Arch, or Debian, this guide has you covered. We'll be installing the popular Reversal GTK theme, setting up the necessary engines, and tweaking the system to look perfectly polished. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare our distro. Open your Software Center. We need two specific applications, GNOME Tweaks and Extension Manager. If you can't find Extension Manager in your store, ensure you have Flatpak support enabled because it's only available from Flatpak. These tools are essential for applying themes and managing system behaviors that aren't available in the default settings. Next, head over to the links in the description to download the Reversal GTK theme and the Reversal Icon theme. We are grabbing these directly from GitHub to ensure we have the latest version. While on the GitHub page, pay close attention to the Requirements section. To make the theme render correctly without visual glitches, we need to install a specific theme engine. Open your terminal. We need to install the gtk-murrine-engine and sassc. If you're on Fedora, type sudo dnf install gtk-engine-murrine sassc. If you're on Ubuntu or Debian, type sudo apt install gtk-engine-murrine sassc. If you're on Arch Linux, type sudo pacman-s gtk-engine-murrine sassc. Once that's done, your system is ready to render the theme properly. Now go to your Downloads folder. Extract the theme and icon zip files. We're going to use the command line to install these quickly. Right-click inside the extracted folder and select Open in Terminal. Type /install.sh to run the installer. Pro tip, you can type /install.sh-t all to automatically install every color variation of the theme at once. Do this for both the GTK theme folder and the icon theme folder. Before we apply the theme, open your Extension Manager. Search for and install the User Themes extension. This step is mandatory. Without it, you cannot change the GNOME shell style, which affects your top bar and system menus. While you're here, you can also install Blur My Shell if you want that modern frosted glass look on your dashboard. Now for the fun part. Open GNOME Tweaks and subscribe if you can to my channel. It helps me a lot. Open GNOME Tweaks and navigate to the Appearance tab. First, change icons to reversal. Next, change shell to reversal. Pick your preferred color, like dark or blur. Finally, change legacy applications to match the shell theme. If the theme options don't appear immediately, close Tweaks and reopen it. Head to your standard system settings and ensure your appearance is set to dark mode if you installed a dark variant to match the rest of the system. And that's it. You now have a fully customized, consistent, and beautiful GNOME desktop environment. Thanks for watching.